Hello folks, All Out the One here. Welcome to another really good review. Sorry, couldn't resist. On the review wheel today we have the Spitfire Pocket Fire Lighting Kit. This is made by Polymath Products UK. They're a custom build kind of survival and bushcrafty tool building company, all put together in the UK. Recently met them at a gathering and decided to buy one of these kits. One of the items in particular interested me in here, and I wanted to have one for my own kit, but it's a decent little kit nonetheless. We'll just go through. Currently they are retailing at $11.99 for the Spitfire kit, and that's available from polymathproducts.co.uk. I'll provide links underneath the video to this product on their website. I don't normally big up the competition, but these guys are pretty good, have to acknowledge that fact, and they've got some good ideas and well executed little kits. So go ahead, open this up. Simple packaging, just a little Ziploc bag. Again, that could be used for tinder gathering, so useful to keep. Next up we have the instructions. Spitfire Pocket Fire Lighting Kit. Actually fairly comprehensive guide to various aspects of fire lighting and building fires. A very useful little guide actually. In survival situations you may be a bit disoriented and unsure, so it's good to have written confirmation. Well presented guides with good illustrations there, and if that doesn't do it for you, you can always just use this to light your fire with, just as a more tinder. But good, it's got the contents there all neatly outlined, so again you can just review everything quickly. So we're going to go through the kit now and see what it's made of. So it comes in this little plastic box, good enough to keep it together in a backpack pocket, for example, or even in your jeans pocket. So it's just a clip off. Go ahead, have a look inside, and what do we have here? So first up we've got some impregnated wax jute twine. So that's basically being dipped in wax and gives you a really nice long burn time. I particularly like using jute twine, in fact, in this format because it's very easy to fluff up, so you can get a nice little bundle to catch the sparks, and it ignites with 1 or 2 strikes in my experience. Always nice to have a good supply of it. I think there are 20 here, so that should be enough for about 20 fires at least. If you cut them in half, maybe even 40 fires, depending on conditions and how good you are. So that's nice to have. It's very compact, lightweight, and a nice organic way to light your fire without causing damage to the environment, and yet it's still reliable and can get fires lit in all sorts of conditions. So that's the jute twine. Next up we have got some waxed, these are the waxed dowel sticks. Yes, so they are waxed, so largely that will keep them waterproof. Now to use these, they've quite cunningly provided a pencil sharpener. So you literally, what you do, take one of these out and you make shavings, very fine shavings may I add, which will catch nicely with the dowel rod. Nice long strips as well, so they'll burn really well, and that way you can double up with the jute twine, for example, and definitely catch that spark, get your fire lit. Nice novel idea. Great thing about these, they are really lightweight, and yeah, kind of multi-use item, can be shaped to do various other tasks for you. So again, nicely thought out. Turning to the pencil sharpener, just your regular pencil sharpener here. However, the body is made from magnesium, interestingly enough. So in actual fact, with a good knife, I suppose, you could make a pile of shavings from the actual metal here, and they catch really easily with a fire steel and really do produce like 3000 degree little sparks. So again, useful. Next up we have your regular sort of Swedish fire steel here, unbranded version, but good enough. Will definitely like the jute twine and the waxed dowel sticks, so works perfectly in the context of this kit. Haven't actually tested out the fire steel as to how good it is myself, but by all reports it's a fine fire steel and will definitely do the job. Next up in here we have a small multi-use item here. Actually, these teeth here are designed to strike the fire steel like so. However, there are also a little bottle opener kind of here, and as you can see it has some measurements along this edge. If my camera will focus today, maybe, yes, there we go. And you've got your centimetre, millimetre markings there. Can be attached to a lanyard or something along those lines if you're worried about losing it, as can the fire steel. And the last item in the kit is the actual reason I bought the kit. These are the pocket bellows, telescopic bellows tube, in fact, according to the paperwork. So no magic tricks here, but obviously it gives you about a foot, maybe a little longer, in an extended tube, so you can basically blow down here and target the oxygen flow to this point, so you don't have to get too close to the flames to keep your fire lit when you're blowing into the embers trying to get it going again. And this is actually a really bloody clever way to get oxygen into the bottom of your fire. These are available separately by another manufacturer, and basically they cost as much as this whole kit, so I thought I'd just go ahead, support the Polymath guys, buy this kit, and obviously pocket myself some nice telescopic bellows tube. Yeah, so I really like this idea, but overall I have to rate this as a firelighting kit 9 out of 10, and that's a high score from me, definitely. So in other words, I definitely recommend that you get one of these if you're looking for a firelighting kit. The only ones better on the market are the ones available from me, naturally, but yeah, you won't go wrong with these. Actually, it's a really well thought out kit. So that's a shout out to Luke over at Polymath Products, and his partner, sorry, your name just slipped my mind for a second, but hello to you, nice to meet you as well, mate. And yeah, look forward to seeing more of your products on the market. And yeah, keep up the good work. You're making me, giving me some good competition there. Right, folks. So this has been another All Outdoor One video review of the Polymath Spitfire Pocket Firelighting Kit. Please check out my store, www.alphabushcraft.co.uk. Also, check out the links below the video for the Polymath site as well. Thanks for watching, take care, and remember, the best survival tool is ingenuity.